In this video from Device Doctor, we will unbox the Epson L5290, a powerful EcoTank all-in-one printer.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The Epson L5290 is an EcoTank all-in-one printer designed for high-quality printing at home or in small offices. It uses refillable ink tanks, not cartridges, which makes printing more cost-effective and eco-friendly. One full set of ink bottles for the Epson L5290 can print up to 4,500 black and white pages and up to 7,500 color pages, making it extremely efficient for home and office use. This model delivers excellent performance with print speeds of 33 pages per minute in black and white and 15 pages per minute in color, making it fast and efficient for everyday use. It supports printing, scanning, copying, Wi-Fi Direct, and fax, making it a complete all-in-one solution for home and office use. Inside the box, you will find a user manual, a driver CD, a power cable, 5 ink bottles, including 2 black bottles, and of course, the L5290 printer itself. This printer uses an EcoTank refill system with large transparent reservoirs. You can easily monitor the ink levels from the front, and the anti-spill bottle design makes refilling clean and simple. This printer has a flatbed color scanner with a CIS sensor and an optical resolution of up to 1200 x 2400 dpi. It also features a 30-sheet automatic document feeder that supports A4 and legal sizes. With ADF scanning, it can scan at around 4.5 IPM for both black and color at 200 dpi. On the back, the Epson L5290 has a USB port, Ethernet port, and fax port. You can print from PC, network, or wirelessly. The printer has a control panel with a color screen and buttons. You can navigate menus, start print, scan, copy, fax, and check maintenance options directly from here.